Welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I want to talk to you about WIF, Dog with Hat. Okay, so Dog with Hat has been it's been one of the leaders in the meme coin space over this whole run, but right now it's looking pretty goddamn bleak, and I want to show you about a potential investment opportunity that the WIF is actually offering. Okay, so over the last day, it's actually down 1.95%. The last 7 days, it's up 2.19%. Sorry, up 1.9%, not down, and then up to 2% here over the last 7 days. We've seen meme coins acting quite aggressively over the last 7 days, seeing quite nice percentages and percentages gained. But the last month, it's been an absolute bloodbath. We're talking 20% to the downside has been on the cards for a lot of assets, maybe even more for most, putting WIF down to around a $502 billion market cap. If we look at the all-time high market cap for WIF, that currently stood at $4.5 billion. Okay, so that is, I mean, roughly around a 9x if we were to get in now and hold it to the all-time high. Do I think we're going to get to all-time highs again? Absolutely. I think we definitely will. Okay, we definitely will for assets like WIF. It's very, very likely. A lot of people are still holding this, and it's an established meme coin in the space. I don't think that we are going to see this this asset disappear from our existence. Okay, it's a massive, massive contender in the race here, and for a moment here, it was actually contending alongside Pepe. But then Pepe got listed on Coinbase, I think it was, and it absolutely exploded. Okay, so Dog with Hat right now, in my opinion, is seriously underpriced. Let me know what you think of WIF in the comment section. I'm dying to know. And then we're going to get to basically the meat of the video. We're talking about the technical analysis, where we can actually look at how we can be trading WIF right now and how we can be making as much money as possible trading this from, say, a futures perspective. Okay, so let's go over to the WIF chart and have a look at that. Actually, before we do that quickly, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is in a pre-sale phase, an ICO phase, an initial coin offering phase, and their project is essentially a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. Now, why is that important? It's important because that's not been done before. They're actually creating a payment gateway that you can use on your phone through contactless payments for your day-to-day transactions. Now, what does that mean? It means that you can basically buy your groceries now with your phone through contactless payments. Okay, now they're exactly the same as MetaMask and Phantom, but they're offering this new feature with a coin, with a massive ecosystem. They're already rated 4.5 stars here on the app stores, and they've raised $11 million in their pre-sale. In my opinion, these are all green flags for a reason to invest in a project like this. It's pretty much destined to success. It's got the utility, it's got the funding, it's got the community, it's also got the rating and the reputation here. It's looking like a Grand Slam home run, if you will. Whatever, right? But yeah, you should definitely go check out that pre-sale. Obviously, go do your own research, guys. Okay, it's raised $11 million for a reason, but you need to know the projects you're investing in. Don't just ape in. Go check out the white paper. Go check out the ecosystem. Go check out the staking if you really, really want to. I'll leave the link in the description for that. But let's get back to the WIF chart and let's look at where we can be making money trading Dog with Hat right now. So you can see it's quite an obvious chart pattern. It's an upward sloping parallel channel. This chart pattern tends to usually break to the downside. Okay, so it does basically mean, not 100% of the time, that we're looking for a position, something along the lines of this. This is sort of the position that we could be looking for here at the bottom of this disgusting descent of a downtrend that we've been in for a considerable amount of time here. When we see an upward sloping parallel channel like this, it does tend to usually mean that we break down and we have continuation. Okay, so we will see how that plays out. If it plays out to the downside, it is a 12% move. If it doesn't play out to the downside, because you can see actually that we've reclaimed some major moving averages here on the 4 hour, like we did here previously, and you can see we lost them and descended, dumped into the descent quite rapidly here, and you can see if we did that there, we're going to see a really nice big move to the downside like we did see here. Okay, so that's a potential there, and also we can't actually overlook the contradicting chart pattern that is also forming. Okay, now what I mean by that, guys, if English is not your first language, contradicting means it's actually predicting the opposite to this position. It's contradicting itself. So what we could be looking for here is, you can see we've actually got support here, support here, support here. resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. In a horizontal format, that's actually forming what we commonly know as an ascending triangle. Now, an ascending triangle, guys, these tend to actually break to the upside. It says it in the name, it's ascending the whole time, and it keeps ascending, continues to the upside, okay? So there's a few things that we can be looking out for here, and this is why it's contradictory for this position, because you can see 12% to the downside there. This will actually be somewhat similar, but to the upside, okay? And this is where we can actually look at potential breaks from a lot of different angles here. So the next break here that we could be looking out for here would actually be worth 15% to the upside. And you can actually see from areas in previous price action, you can see massive, massive bullish momentum there as well. So if we do see this continue here, and we do see candle body closes above areas around this area, you can see massive wave to the upside here, massive wave to the upside here. If we've got any other data showing this point as a wave to the upside, see if we can find something. Don't know if we can. Here we go. No, we don't. We don't have that. Okay. So it's due to Binance not listing them soon enough. But yeah, so you can see that genuinely we do have quite a nice wave to the upside from this point. So it's definitely something to consider if you are looking for a trade on whiff. Let me know what you think in the comment section of dog whiff hat of these potential contradicting trades, whether you're going to be getting involved with them at all. Okay. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.